It's considered to be one of the most significant abortion cases heard before the Supreme Court in 25 years. A Texas law that requires doctors who perform abortions to have admitting privileges at nearby hospitals and force clinics to meet hospital-like standards for outpatient surgery. Proponents of both sides of the issue argued before the High Court on Thursday, while demonstrators rallied outside, many pro-abortion rights supporters.
I wanted, to express, with the whole get-up and everything, I wanted to express that there are many Texans and many men who support women's bodily autonomy.
Yet Texas and the law's supporters say they are protecting women's health.
If the Supreme Court in this case upholds these laws, it will be a victory for patient health and safety.
Abortion providers like Amy Hagstrom Miller, the plaintiff in the case, say the real purpose of the regulation is to reduce abortion access.
Today we called on the Supreme Court to step in and help us stand up to those bullies who are trying to control our bodies and our lives.
Yet exactly what the deeply split court will do remains uncertain. More than an hour of pointed questioning from liberal and conservative justices suggested little common ground.
The only justice who was hard to read was Justice Anthony Kennedy, whose vote is almost surely decisive in a case like this.
The case being heard less than 3 weeks after the death of Justice Antonin Scalia and in the middle of a raucous presidential campaign.
We do miss Justice Scalia. I'm hoping we get a pro-life president next year who we can appoint the next justice. In the meantime, it's going to be a balance, so we don't know how it's going to turn out.
In Houston, anti-abortion protesters held a vigil outside a Planned Parenthood. With just 8 Supreme Court justices deliberating, a tie would leave the Texas law standing, regulations that some states are already replicating. A decision in the case is expected by late June. Padmanandarama, The Associated Press.